more money you make, the more money you spend. And I want you guys to understand that. But then once you get to the point that you are making money, you get hit with a whole lot of obstacles, because at the end of the day, we all live a real life. We have real life problems. We're gonna have obstacles. We're gonna have things that are gonna make our life very hard. I could have very much blew accounts in St. Martin. And then guess what? I came back from vacation to immediately my car needing to be fixed and me being stranded in a whole different city. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. And if you're new, my name is Andre Diaz, and I'm just a self-employed day trader, content creator, entrepreneur, whatever you want to call me. I just don't feel like working for somebody else. I work for myself. And if you aren't new, you already know we're back at the crib. We're no longer stuck in Miami. We got our car back. My chin is healing. The burn that I had on my lip is healing. Everything is slowly coming back together. And what do I mean by that? Honestly, if you watch the videos, you know. I daily vlog. I have videos every single day, every other day, every week. So just go check them all out. I don't even want to dwell on it. On to the next. Right now it is Friday. NFP just happened. NFP had a lot more volume than usual. One thing about NFP is I always tell people I would rather trade NFP than CPI and FOMC, because NFP tends to be not as volatile for the indexes. But today, that shit was moving. I'll show you a little bit when we hop on the charts with the team. But we're gonna see what we can do. Ideally, I'm not really looking to force trades because I am a little sick. That's the one last thing. Once I'm no longer sick and I can actually breathe through my nose, we're gonna be 100% valid. But I'm not really looking to force a trade after NFP. It's Friday. It was an okay week. I'm just ready to get through the weekend and then actually start fresh, start brand new from the whole routine as I should. But with that being said, let's just hop on the team, see what we can do, give value, change lives as we do every day. All right, we about to join the call and everything. It's about 9:25. We about to see what we can do. I'm not really forcing trades though, as I told y'all. Yeah, but you gotta label it to learn. It's like trying to learn automatically with no markups. What longs? Nigga, you should be gone for the week. NFP got a payout. It's Friday. Shit, I would have been good for the week. A payout, it's NFP and it's Friday, and you gotta go to work early anyway. You should have just went. You just be like, fuck it, we be back. Listen, your job's just another income. If you lose that, you just gonna be more stress, less money. Trust, you wouldn't be the first I'm telling, but hey, you're gonna live your own life. All right, we just got done the session and everything. Cool little session. I didn't take no trades. It's just one of those days, one of those weeks where it's not ideal. I'm not really looking to force it. It was mad choppy. NFP had a lot of volume, but we gave value to the team. We're active with the team. We talked about a whole bunch of different things. A lot of you guys don't understand, VIP isn't just trading. We're here for 2 hours, 3 hours at a time. Do you really think we only talk about trading? Money, mindset, everything, and just life. You know what I'm saying? We're here to help each other. We're here to grow with each other. We're here to share our experiences so other team members don't have to go through them. But right now I'm about to go to the shooting range. I want to try out my gun that I just bought. I picked it up yesterday when I got back from Tampa, but I didn't get to shoot it because it was 4th of July and it closed early. But we are going to go to that. And then after that, we got to go return the rental car that we still have from Miami. So yeah, but matter of fact, first, I'm going to go wash my car. All right, we just got done at the shooting range. I like going to the shooting range. It was the first time I shot this new gun that I just got, and I like the way it feels, compact. It's a good everyday carry type of weapon, but overall, now I'm about to head to the crib. I gotta go get the rental soon. I gotta drop the rental off by 12 o'clock, but I'm waiting for my girlfriend to go on break so that when she goes on break, she could drive with me there so that I can drive her back with my car and then just pick her up later. The day's not over. We still got more content to create. I'm feeling a little bit better than I would go outside, but I still can't breathe out my fucking nose. It is what it is though. We gonna keep doing what we supposed to. I'm probably gonna wash my car when I get back from doing all that. I'm gonna go home, try to eat and everything, and actually catch up on my morning because I've been running around since I woke up. All right, rental car and everything's dropped off, as you guys know, but I'm about to go clean the inside of my car. It looks like it's gonna rain. I ain't gonna lie. The amount of rain I've been getting the last 2-3 days is crazy. I'm not gonna clean the outside just because I already know if I clean my car, it's going to rain. Every time I clean the outside of my car, it rains. So I'm gonna clean the inside, just get the interior all cleaned up. That's the only thing I really care about. If it's gonna rain, the outside is gonna get cleaned anyway. But I got the hoodie on, a long sleeve, and I'm wearing sweats right now, bro. I'm trying to sweat the fuck out of this sickness out. I hate being sick. I hate not being at my full capacity. I hate not being able to breathe out my nostril. The first thing I lost was my car, and then I was so appreciative of my car. Now I lost my fucking breathing abilities? Bro, I just want to breathe again, that's all. But we about to go clean the inside of this car. Let's go get it done, and then we got to go pick up my girl from work. All right, rental car and everything's dropped off, as you guys know, but I'm about to go clean the inside of my car. It looks like it's going to rain, I ain't going to lie. The amount of rain I've been getting the last 2-3 days is crazy. I'm not going to clean the outside just because I already know if I clean my car, it's going to rain. Every time I clean the outside of my car, it rains. So I'm going to clean the inside, just get the interior all cleaned up. That's the only thing I really care about. If it's going to rain, the outside is going to get cleaned anyway. But I got the hoodie on, a long sleeve, and I'm wearing sweats right now, bro. I'm trying to sweat the fuck out of this sickness out. I hate being sick. I hate not being at my full capacity. I hate not being able to breathe out my nostrils. The first thing I lost was my car, and then I was so appreciative of my car. Now I lost my fucking breathing abilities? Bro, I just want to breathe again, that's all. But we about to go clean the inside of this car. Let's go get it done, and then we got to go pick up my girl from work. Now that the car is nice and clean inside and out, now I gotta take myself to the gym. Get this workout in, and then I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the reality of being a full-time trader. It's not what it seems. I've been a full-time trader for a little bit, full-time entrepreneur, full-time self-employed, whatever you wanna call me. I work for myself. I've been doing it for a little while now, and I've learned a lot through the ups and downs, through the trials and tribulations, the L's, the W's. I've learned a whole lot. And I want to basically explain to you a little bit more on it. But I'm going to be going deeper in it with the actual VIP Trader Network, because that's what our call is going to be on today. So, all right, just got back from the gym and everything. And now this is the portion of the video that you more than likely clicked on it for. You want to know what is the real reality of being a full-time trader. And for anybody that doesn't know who I am, doesn't know what I do, I've been trading, I've been creating content. I'm just an overall entrepreneur at heart, and I've been doing it for years. I've been trading for 4 years, and I've been making content for over 10 years. I wasn't really making money off of content until recently, and I haven't really been making trading money until maybe about a year and a half, 2 years ago, to where I've actually been able to take a good amount of money out of the market and be able to survive. But that's when I really learned a lot, because it's one thing to get to the point that you're able to make money trading, but then once you get to the point that you are making money, you get hit with a whole lot of obstacles, because at the end of the day, we all live a real life. We have real life problems. We're going to have obstacles. We're going to have things that are going to make our life very hard. And by default, if our life is harder, our trading is harder, because we are our business. If we're not mentally in the right spot, if we're not physically in the right spot, our trading is affected, and that's not something that comes easy, especially if it's your only way of making money. I want you guys to put into perspective. In the last 2 weeks, I went on vacation to St. Martin. In St. Martin, one of the main things I was trying to emphasize to everybody is my trading out there wasn't the best. I was losing trades out there. People don't understand. They just think when you're a full-time trader, you're always making money. No, I went to St. Martin and I was losing my trades. Granted, I was taking challenges because I didn't want to really lose money. That's something that I just know because of myself, my experience, but not many other people are going to understand that. Not many other people are going to have the intuition to do that. So what does that mean? It means I could have very much blew accounts in St. Martin. And then guess what? I came back from vacation to immediately my car needing to be fixed and me being stranded in a whole different city. I want you guys to understand this. If I didn't have the money to be able to get my car fixed right then and there, stay in Airbnbs, rent another car, get a car for my girlfriend to go back to Tampa, which is a 3.5-hour drive, 4-hour drive to go get our dogs, I would have been stuck in Miami. I want you guys to really put that into perspective. That's something I thought about. I'm like, damn, if I didn't have the money to be able to fix this, I really would have been stranded. That's crazy to think about, because it doesn't mean I'm a bad trader. I don't have income flows, but it's just, you got to spend a lot of money a lot of times. To have a good lifestyle, to have a lifestyle that you want, you need to spend a lot of money. So you got to make sure what? You're making a lot more, because if you're spending just as much as you're making, you're just breaking even. You're not going nowhere. You're still in the same spot. You can be making $100,000 a month, but if your bills are $90,000, $99,000, you're really still not making nothing. And that's something majority of people got to understand. You can make a whole lot of money, But there's realities of life. You got to understand that shit's going to happen to you, and you got to stay grounded. You got to understand how to adapt. Because like I said, me going to St. Martin, I didn't want to risk me potentially losing money, blowing my account. So what did I do? What did I have control of? I had control of what I'm going to trade. Am I going to trade? Am I not going to trade? And if I am, what am I going to trade? Am I going to trade my main accounts? Am I going to trade demo? Am I going to trade challenges? So those are all things that are in your control. You always got to focus on what's in your control, because in life, there's a lot that's out of your control, and this is going to hurt when things happen. Like, I don't know how much money I've spent the last couple of 2-3 weeks. Let me just put the numbers out there. So let's just say going to St. Martin, I spent, I don't even know. Let's just say that week, I'm not going to count how much I actually spent to go on the trip, but that week I probably spent a good $1,000 just in St. Martin, not counting the flights, not counting everything, just food, going on the boats and everything, probably like $1,000. I came back, had to get my car fixed, which was $2,400. I spent about $700 on Airbnbs. I had to pay rent because, as you guys know, you see the date, right? As soon as I came back, as soon as my car got messed up, I had to pay rent. So we add that into there, which my rent isn't even a lot, $1,750 for rent. That's that. What else? I have to pay to take my dogs to the vet because I have a new dog of like about a month ago. She has to get like vet bills. She had like a little parasite, so now I got to get my other dog treated. That's going to be like another $1,000, bro. The more money you make, the more money you spend. And I want you guys to understand that I'm not saying this to complain. I take everything that comes with it because I know it's not going to be easy. I know there's going to be ups and downs. I know there's going to be a whole lot of times I make a whole lot of money. There's going to be a whole lot of times I lose a whole lot of money. The way I look at it, it's all about perspective. If I didn't have the money, if I wasn't in the position to even be able to keep myself afloat, to be able to keep myself stable, some people can't do that. I'm just grateful I'm able to do what I love and be able to provide for myself, be able to live the life that I want. And it's not going to be easy. Also, look, I'm sick. All of these things just are real life. I'm sick right now having to work. I'm sick right now having to create content. But this is what I love at the end of the day, so I'm willing to do it. But not every day you're going to have that same willingness to want to. And that's the thing. We might not need to do anything, but we need to want to do it. Because if we don't want to do it, there's nothing keeping us from doing what we need to actually achieve our goals. But overall, this is just a little clip. This is kind of just the beginning of really just a preview, getting my mindset in the right space, because this is what the topic of the session for VIP is going to be on. It's going to be about the realities of being a full-time trader. We're going to talk about everything from how much money you need to have saved up. We're going to talk about when you should become a full-time trader, what is required to become a full-time trader, what are main obstacles that you're more than likely going to have to come to grips with, all those different things that I've gone through, other team members have gone through as becoming full-time traders. We're going to be going over and just overall giving value to the team. So more than likely, I'm not going to add it in this video. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. We're going to be back on the daily vlogs, back on the daily grind, because ideally when I wake up tomorrow morning, I should be feeling better, I would hope. But if you want to learn how I trade, if you want to know what I do on a day-to-day basis, learn my free system, my free everything, completely free trading course, free trading webinars, completely free. It'll teach you everything from 0 to 100 on what I do and how I trade. And once you're ready to actually join the team of like-minded individuals, to actually put yourself in the environment of winning traders, winning individuals looking to improve 1% a day, join the VIP Trader Network, and we'll be waiting for you.